Well, good morning, everybody. Thought a couple of you might want to see a daylight view of this train Worx Kenworth Aerodyne. She's not setting level because of all the wires. Once I figure out where I'm gonna mount it, she'll set better. But I used fiber optics for the marker lights, size 300. And I'm gonna run these trucks. I'm gonna do a couple of them. I'm gonna run these off coin cells. Figured what the heck. But there you have it. And believe me, it is a scary thing poking holes in a $38 truck. But I think I accomplished it okay. Y'all let me know what you think. I don't get many comments, but leave me a comment. All right. We appreciate it. Enjoy.